In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email tasks into ClickUp. This feature can be a game changer for those of us who receive a lot of work requests via email, allowing you to turn those emails into actionable tasks without the hassle of manual copying and pasting. So if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video to support more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, fire up your favorite web browser and log into your ClickUp account. If you're already familiar with ClickUp's interface, you'll know that once you're in your workspace, the left-hand panel is your go-to place for navigation. You're going to want to scroll down until you see the More option. Click on that to expand additional options. Once you've done that, look for the Apps section within the menu that appears. This is where ClickUp keeps everything related to integrations and all the email features you'll need. Now, find the integration for Gmail and click on it. This integration is the key component that allows ClickUp to receive and process your emails as tasks, which is super convenient. Now that you're on the Gmail email page, go ahead and click on the Configure button. When you do this, ClickUp will generate a unique email address that is specifically linked to your workspace, or possibly even a specific space, folder, or list, depending on how your account is set up. Make sure to keep this email address handy, because you will use it to send tasks straight to ClickUp. Here's how it works. Whenever you want to create a task from an email, all you need to do is send or forward that email to your ClickUp email address. The magic happens when you realize that the email subject line will automatically become the task title in ClickUp. And everything in the body of the email? That converts into the task description. It's such a straightforward way to keep your workflow organized and efficient. Oh, and let's not forget about attachments. If you include any in your email, those will also be added directly to the corresponding task in ClickUp. This means you can save yourself even more time by not needing to upload files separately. Now let's talk customization. You can adjust settings when configuring the email tasks to determine where they land in ClickUp. This includes setting up defaults for who gets assigned the task, what the priority level is, and which location within ClickUp it should all be directed to. This flexibility allows you to tailor the system to fit your needs perfectly. Once you have everything set up just right, you're ready to start transforming those emails into ClickUp tasks with ease. Imagine how much simpler your workflow will be. Instead of spending precious time copying and pasting or trying to remember everything you need to do, everything can now be organized automatically within ClickUp. And that's it! You now know how to email tasks into ClickUp and keep your work life organized without unnecessary extra steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy ClickUp guides. Your feedback helps me know what you're interested in learning about, so I appreciate every single like. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing. Make the most out of your ClickUp experience, and I'll see you in the next video.